Hi, traders, and welcome to the PO Capital Market Review. I'm your host, Paul. Today is Friday, July 7th. Markets are closed. And in this video, I want to look at the S&P, Nasdaq, Russell, and oil. So let's start. All right, upcoming economic calendar. Monday and Tuesday, you got a lot of Fed members speaking. So who knows what they might say that might spook the markets. Wednesday is the big day. Core inflation number comes out. Thursday is PPI and Friday is consumer sentiment. So obviously the big day is going to be Wednesday. Last month we were at 5.3. Consensus is that we'll be coming in at 5%. So I think if 5% is what the actual number comes out to be, I think that is going to be that'll power the markets higher for the next wave up. So be ready. I think Wednesday will be a big day. Thursday PPI that should like give spikes to the market, but this will be the big day. All right, let's move on to the charts here. And as I said in my last video, I think that they're going to be making some type of a flat here. So you got 3 down. Now, not unless this move up here was 5 waves, which I don't see. I just see this as a running flat here. 1, 2, 3. I think they're making a running flat, some type of flat, running or expanding. So, because I think that'll be A, and then this 3 wave, that was B, and now we need 5 waves for the C wave. And I see this as 1, and then they completed this correction today. Hopefully no one got trapped in this correction. And then they started selling off hard late in the day. So I think that's 1 and 2. And because of that, now you need to come down for 3, which means 3 is going to be like way down here. You get a 4, and then you're going to get a 5. And that's why I could see them breaking this 33.68. Not by much, probably. Just kind of wick through it and then reverse. And so I could really see like this market selling off Monday and Tuesday. You're going to get a correction one of the days, but you come down for 3 probably Monday, correction either late day Monday or Tuesday, and then sell off again. So that we're down somewhere down here like Wednesday. CPI comes out, and if it's 5% or so, then I think that's the that'll power this back up, break this 44.98 for this 5th and final wave up. So that's what I'm expecting. Now that this 5th wave, it doesn't have to break the low. If they fall just short, then this is just going to be a running flat. If they break it, then it's going to be an expanding flat. So it really doesn't matter. It's just when you've got 5 waves, then that's going to be the C wave, and then that's the time to start looking for the buy setups. And I think Wednesday will just be the perfect trigger for that to happen. All right, Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq is a little different structure. So this one I do see 5 waves up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't expect. Matter of fact, I don't know how the Nasdaq would break 14,853 and still go up, because you got an impulse here. So I think this will be A. Today was B, and now they're going to come down for a C wave, and it could be pretty deep. But if it breaks that, well, then I got a wave count wrong, and I'm really shocked at what is going on then. So I think they'll come down for C, just like on the S&P. Monday and Tuesday just be grinding lower, and then Wednesday CPI is the catalyst, and we come up for that 5th and final wave. All right, Russell. Yeah, so the Russell, it's going to be doing one of two things. So like I said in my last video, we've got 3 waves here, and then we've got 3 waves down. And because I see this as 5 waves, I think this is either going to be, that is either W, this will be X, and then this is going to be 1, 2, and then they'll come up, break 1929, and that'll be 3 waves, and so it'll be a WXY, and then it'll sell off just like the other markets. Now, this could come up in 5 waves, and then, just for labeling purposes, then this will be A, this will be B, and then you'll get a 5-wave move up for C. But the result's the same. It'll go up higher probably. Well, it'll have to, because then that'd be 1, 2, and you have to come up for a 3, 4, and a 5, and then it'll sell off. So same result, but obviously 2016 is the key level. If that breaks, then I'm seeing this wrong, and this isn't a correction, and we're going probably a lot higher then. All right, crude. All right, so crude finally broke my invalidation point, so I'm going to take that off. We don't need that anymore. So for right now, I'm still labeling this WXY because there is the possibility that this is just a 3-wave move, and that's 1. And then you've got 3 there, 3 there, and then I see this as a running flat here. And then I do see 5 waves up to here. So 1, 2, 3. So there is a possibility that this is making a leading diagonal. And that'd be 1, and then 3, that's 2, and then now they're going to come down for 3, 4, and a 5, and take out the low. I'm not expecting that. I think oil will go and break 75. So what I'm watching, at the drill down here, I'd like to see this turn into an impulse. So 1, 2, this is 3. Come down in here in 3 waves, and then go back up for the 5th and final wave. Probably take out that high. And then this will end up being a WXY, X, and then Z. And then it's just a matter of how high do they want to go. Because we'll have 3, 3, and who knows? I mean, this could be the start of like a leading diagonal, which means oil will be going real high. Because you'll get 5 waves, and then you'll get a correction, and then still one more up, and that'll be just 3. You'll have 1, 2, 3, and then they'll correct down for 4, and then go up for 5, and then correct that whole thing, and still, so I don't know. There's a lot of possibilities on how this last piece ends, but we know that we need 3 waves, and so far we've got 1 and 2, and so I would expect them to come up in some type of fashion. The 5 waves or making this a WXY, but we need 3 waves. So come up and take out 7506, and then we'll have to watch and see the reaction there. All right, that's what I see on the markets. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your likes and support. I will see you in the next video. Good luck.